What is up, everybody? This is FNH News Reviews and Tours here with a brand new video to talk about how to get rid of the mfc80.dll error that you may be receiving downloading FLYFF or PLAYPARK FLYFF, one of the others. This is error code 0 result 9. It's a weird error that was occurring, and I actually I tried a lot of different workarounds for it, and this was the only one that personally worked for me, and it may work for you because it seems like the most logical thing. Now, what this error is basically, it's somehow an odd error. Like right now, as you can see, it's working fine for me. There is no error coming up. It's decompressing, it's doing its thing. But basically what was happening is I have FLYFF. FLYFF was working fine for me. And a lot of people are like, oh, you should try this private server. It's like a legitimate, like organized private server with FLYFF by PLAYPARK. And I was like, oh, I think it's a Philippine type thing. I could be wrong, but I think it's a Philippine company, maybe PLAYPARK, or a lot of Philippine users use it. But so basically it was through this, and I'm like, okay, let me try it out. And I'm downloading it, and it kept giving me that error. And I'm like, this is not, it wasn't even saying it's error. It's like completed successfully, but it wouldn't decompress. A lot of people said, and I would suggest this as well, definitely give this a shot before you try this one. It's not that this one is complicated or scary or something it could mess up your computer. It's just that would be obviously more preferable. Reinstall it for sure. Uninstall it, reinstall it. If that works, great. If not, you can clear up your cache of your temporary internet like history files. That can also help clear it up. Again, those specific items did not work for me, hence why I'm making this video for you. The one that did work for me, if you do not have FLYFF but you have what's it called, let's say you have FLYFF and you're getting the issue for PLAYPARK, what I would suggest doing is going to your C drive, going to local C, program files, WebZen, because that's where FLYFF is now. It's not in gpotato or FLYFF itself, and then FLYFF. Within that, you'll see the mfc80.dll file. What you need to do is take that file and literally drag it over and go to local disk program files.86 or x86, sorry. Again, this can vary per computer. Mine it's an 86-bit, so that works. 86 PLAYPARK and FLYFF. I went in there, I knew this would have worked. I copied and pasted it, and it worked. The only other suggestion I can personally give is if you don't have FLYFF, or let's say the error is with FLYFF, but not PLAYPARK, like you're a FLYFF user and you're trying to play FLYFF and you're getting this error, download that file. You can find it online on Google somewhere. Just download the MFC file. Literally what I did, copy paste that file in there, and it'll work. That will most likely work, because all I did was that, and that's it. It could be that the file is corrupted, it could be that the file just did not work. Most likely the file is corrupted, hence why this occurred, because this DLL file is mostly, I think it's a Windows thing. It's a Windows Visual thing, Visual Studio's item. Like, you need that on your computer for this to work, and I'm assuming it's because of that it is causing this error. And again, this is a simple fix. I did that, and boom, it started to work. I'm still waiting for it to decompress, taking a very long time. Slow speed, which is understandable. But yeah, that's literally my suggestion for you guys. It's a very simple and quick fix, and I would highly recommend you guys to go try this out and give it a shot, and let me know what your thoughts is, like if it worked for you or not. But yeah, that was the video from me, guys. Overall, I do hope you liked this and it was informative and helpful, so definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.